Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to search in Quora app. So it's very simple. You just have to open Quora app in your mobile. And in the top right corner, beside the plus button, you can see search icon. Just click on this. And here comes the search bar in the top. Now you can see the recommended spaces for you. You can just search this, or you can just search whatever you need. So let's see how to post in YouTube. So let's ask question. So let's search this. So here you can see how can I make videos to be posted in YouTube? How do I earn through YouTube? So these are the similar topics that I searched. So in this way, you can just search in Quora app. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.